Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking Phonepe and signing in with your registered number. This authenticates purchases and links payment methods. Once done, make sure your app is updated so the Google Play gift option appears. Next, navigate to the search or the recharge and bills section and look for Google Play or gift cards. This is where you buy redeemable codes. You need an active UPI or bank-linked instrument because Phonepe requires a verified payment source to complete the purchase. Now you pick the Google Play gift card option and select a denomination that suits you. Smaller values are useful for single purchases, while larger values give flexibility. After you choose amount, select a payment method. UPI or Phonepe balance is fastest, and authorize the transaction. You may need to enter an OTP or UPI PIN, so keep your phone handy. Once payment processes, Phonepe generates a redeemable code or sends a voucher link. Make sure you save the confirmation and take a screenshot for safety. Finally, open the Google Play Store and go to the Redeem section. Copy the code from Phonepe carefully and paste it. Accuracy matters because one wrong character will fail. After redeeming, the balance updates immediately, so make sure to verify the new balance before making a purchase. If the code didn't arrive, check Phonepe's transaction history and your SMS or email for the voucher link. And if redemption errors persist, contact Phonepe support with the transaction ID and your screenshot to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.